Hello, I am Professor Kakadiaram from RSU Technical Campus, MBA department. So subject name is service marketing and today's new chapter, third chapter start, name is service process. What is meant by service process? Means the 7 P's of marketing mix of service in process. The manner in which the service is delivery, including the step of procedure in machines, is referred by the process. The process of service cannot be exclusive of the customer. In fact, it involve the customer, the intermediaries, the service delivery provided, and the technology that the adopt the process and delivery the quality service. Means the production process the and delivery due to the value nature of the service. To satisfy customer, one must start with the product and the service design, keeping in the mind that the design that are made this area of the operation, including the overall success of the organization. Okay, so service process means when manufacturing goods, the process involved take place in the factory premises, keeping the customer at the buy. The customer rarely comes in contact with the manufacturing process, as this process the lie with the factory premises, lie in the domination and the operation. Means interaction of the customer with the system should be the part of the service. Creation of the hence, this makes of the customer a part of the service process. The service failure obtain the result in the design service process. Service which they depend on the customer contract or customer are the receipt of the service action. Means service production of the in the therefore customer acts the coordination may be service. The service delivery is the outcome of the service process, that is service process. So next point is step for managing service process. What is meant by step from managing service process? That is service or experience from the customer point of view. Service are processes that have to be designed and the manage of the create desired customer experience for the organization viewpoint. Means hence process become the plan of the service processes, describe the method and the sequence in which of the service operation system work and specify how they link together the create of the value perception premises of the customer. Customer are an integrated part of the operation and the process of the become their experience in high contact of the service. Means that is if the process has been designed up to the customer standard, this will the structure customer the process obtain slow and poor quality. If the process is not designed properly of the effect, frontline employees also doing their jobs well, which the result of the poor productivity with the increase in the risk of the service failure. While design and the managing the service process, keep in mind the following step. So, A, flow charting. What is meant by flow charting? Flow charting are techniques for the display the nature and sequence of the different step of the involved in the delivery of the service to customer, offers an easy way to understand the totality of the customer service experience. We can gain valuable insights into the nature of the existing service by the flow charting to the sequence of the encounters customer have with the service organization, that is flow charting. So B, next point, service blueprinting. What is meant by service blueprinting? It is important and the organization to gain the holistic view of the how the elements on the service related to each other when the service production process by the complex involve the multiple service encounters. Blueprinting according the show stack is a graphical approaches designed to overcome the problem that occur where new service in the launch without the depend identification of the necessary support function, that is service blueprinting. So next one is the identify failure point. A good blueprint will bring out the key elements of the service delivery, highlight risk which can be gone wrong, the most service fail points of the days that will be result failure to assess of the enjoy core product from the customer view the point of the involved. So next one, failure proofing. What is meant by failure proofing? Once the points that the seems negative have been identified, the careful analysis for the reason to failure need to be the evaluated in the process. The analysis done often the points out to prospect of the failure proofing, creation of the activities in the order reduce, even the elimination of the risk error, techniques of the widely used of the fail safe service processes. So next one, setting service target. What is meant by setting service target? Service managers can learn the nature of the customer expectation at each step in the process through both formal researches and on of the job experience. The expectation of the customer vary from the desired level to the stakeholder level of the minimally adequate service. At each step service provided should be design standard to satisfy to make the customer happy, else they will have to modify the customer expectation. This standard might be including time parameters of the script of the technically correct performance and the perception of the appropriate style of the setting service target. Okay. So next one, service process redesign. What is meant by service process redesign? The process that have been the outdated get the fresh related to the life of the does not the mean that the first place of the processes were properly designed. So including point is eliminating non-value adding step. First one, eliminating non-value adding step with the goal of the focusing of the benefit producing part of the service encounter. Some activities at the front end and back in the processes service can be standard by trying the element non-value adding step service regarding established task. The outcome are typically increase the productivity and the customer satisfaction. That is eliminating non-value adding step. So next one is physical service. What is meant by physical service? Physical redesign involves the changing the customer experience through the tangible associate with the service or the physical surrounding of the service. Midway Express airline has the change in the entire airline flighting experience primarily through redesigning the interior of the airplane. So next one, pre-service. This type of the redesign involves the streamlining or the improving the activation of the service focusing on the front on the process, and the example can be the express check in the hotel or car rental. Pre-admission process at the hospital and the prepayment of the tools on the highway, making in the front and the end service more the efficiently dramatically change customer experience during actual service delivery. So next one is direct service. What is meant by direct service? Direct service means bring the service of the customer rather than the asking for the customer to come the provided this the might be delivering the service to the customer his or her come or the workplace, restaurant food and the cleaning, delivery on the office. That is direct services. So next one is the self-service. Moving the customer into the production mode rather than the passive receiving made of the another approaches. Redesigning of the services process in the way of the increased benefit the customer in terms the personal control, the timing, prime example self-service occur when the companies offer their service via the internet, as the case in the internet banking. That is self-service. So, thank you so much.